plea on one case or two? or-
Two,
Your Honor.
Your Honor. Last numbers are 77 and 43.
All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 011-943 and 2024 CR 011-977. State versus Leo Anthony Cantu. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
Will Brooks for the defendant, Mr. Cantu, Judge.
And are you Mr. Cantu?
When you're gone through, yes, no.
Thank you. Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery
Yes, I have, Judge.
and that you review it with your client?
Yes, and discussed it as well.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, Mr. Cantu, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did and I have.
At counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Judge.
And state, and the cause number ending in 11943, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the cause number ending in 11977, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement paragraph.
Any objection?
No objections, Judge.
And cause number ending in 43, you're charged with evading arrest detention with a previous conviction. That's being charged at the state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 77, you're charged with assault on a peace officer or judge. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into these plea bargain agreements, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am, I did and I have.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Judge, I do. He is someone that suffers from mental health issues, but I don't have any questions about competency or sanity, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Cantu, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas?
No, ma'am, they have not.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargains?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. And the cause number ending in 43, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 210 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $2,000 fine, no applications. The state will take in consideration 2024 CR 011980, 2025 PF 04304. And in the cause number ending in 77, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison, a $2,000 fine, no applications, and the same cases will be taken in consideration. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense,
Yes, Judge.
state.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No rulings, Judge.
All right, then in cause number 2024 CR 011943, how do you plead?
No contest.
And in cause number 2024 CR 011977, how do you plead?
No contest as well.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. In each case, these things have been along with all this attachments.
No objections to states one or attachments, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it? Sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call them the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
No objections, Judge.
All right, then the court will accept in addition or an addendum to states exhibits 1 and attachments and cause number 2024 CR 011943 and review the same. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. In each of the cause numbers, the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Judge will waive a PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Simply, Judge, that we're happy to have the benefit of the bargain, and we hope that the court will follow that agreement.
And cause number 2024 CR 011943, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 210 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration 2024 CR 011980 and 2025 PF 04304. And in cause number 2024 CR 011977, the court will find you guilty as previously stated and sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money to run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 PF 04304 and 2024 CR 011980. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in either of those cause numbers?
No, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You're gonna have to make better decisions. Otherwise, how old are you?
27, about to be 28 in May.
Okay, let me just tell you something. When you hit 30, doesn't happen when you're 29, but time when the clock strikes 30 years, time just speeds by. Next thing you know, you look up, you're 50. Look at me. I'm 21 and just like, don't let me get to 30 just yet. But so you're gonna have to do better. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. we could